channel, and today I'm here with an unboxing and I'm very excited. It was kind of a rough week, so like this has been like one of my happy thoughts all week is getting my new Coffee Planner Mom stickers. So let's take a look. I haven't even opened it. I was like, I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna just do everything in front of the camera. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. All of the crinkle things. These guys. I like that she writes notes. So you've already seen my notes on like other things I'm planning this week. That's fine. That's just life right now, people. Like I said, it was kind of a rough week. So I'm super happy to play with stickers and kind of de-stress. So I got a few kits from Coffee Planner Mom, and she was part of a sale with, I want to say it was called Planner Girls United. I just joined their Facebook page. I will put a link to them. If I said it wrong, I'll put a link to them in the description below so that you can check them out. It might be on one of these freebies too. Sometimes, I know on, yeah, PGU collab. There you go. So we've got a sampler from Burgundy Butterfly Co. So that's pretty cute. Look at that. I like how she put the little like dots and flags. And then a freebie. Oh, look at those owls. From Jenny Penny Plants. And then Sugar Lemon Paper Co. I like these. These are really cute. Got so much procrastinating done. And then my freebies from Coffee Planner Mom. This was the PGU freebie. And I'll put these, I'll try and link some things to these shops. That way you get a chance to see them too. Autumn leaves are falling, or leaves are falling, autumn is calling, trash night, tell Tuesday, in fall colors. Yay! Rake leaves, birthday. These are really cute, and I like the little leaf decos she's got going on there. And then, yes, I did lots of things. So this is the, if you spent $25 freebie, pumpkin spice gives me life. Game night, day off, no spend, don't forget the pumpkins and more leaves. And then the $50 freebie, because I will say I don't like buy stickers all of the time. It just feels that way. But when I do, I go all out. You know, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to make it good. Habit trackers, I'm so excited for her to have habit trackers in her shop. I did not get any this round because I'm trying to work with the stash that I got, but I'm excited to use some freebie ones. And then some boxes, checklist, and there's dots, 3 dots kind of hidden in here. So super fun. All right, so for my functional stickers, I got some black dots or bullets. It's coffee time. Coffee is important. I got some black bullet points because I thought, you know, that'll go with any spread. They're very functional. I can practice my cutting them in half skills. It's all good. So some black bullet points for my functional. Now, I think what I'll do, since I don't remember all of the names, I think I have an idea, but I don't remember all of the names of these kits. So I will make sure to put the exact names in the description below. But this is her, I want to say it's called Autumn is Calling. And I love the little frond leaf pattern right here. That's so pretty. Now I did see her unveil all of these and I was just as excited watching her do it, but still. And I like that she put like, when she has extra space, she puts like extra deco there. So I feel like I get a lot of value out of her stickers, which is awesome sauce. So we've got 9 full boxes and these little quarter guys. Oh, They're just, it's so cute. I like the color scheme she went with. Then it's the functional boxes, or the colorful boxes. So you've got the half boxes, and then some quarter boxes, and then slightly less than quarter boxes. I don't know what you would call this. But again, she always puts like the background of her full boxes, and I think that makes it so easy to come up with a spread that works together. Like, you don't have to think really hard about it, and there are just some weekends where, you know, I don't want to have to think about how to put it together, but I do want it to look pretty. Checklists, Monday, weekly checklists, check boxes here, our date covers, dots, and some deco. All the things. And then our quote stickers. And I love that she put sweater weather on there. We may have to talk, Coffee Planner Mom, because I actually have a pink zebra fragrance that we call sweater weather, and I might have to send you some. Autumn is my favorite color, and all at once summer collapsed into fall. It's fall, y'all. And then her like script stickers that she keeps pretty much the same on every kit. Occasionally she can fit another extra one in there. I got to figure out a use for the next week's sticker, because everybody adds that one. And I'm sure somebody uses it, and I think we're just gonna put it on a spread and see what happens. I like her weekend one. So that is the Autumn's Calling kit. Now we're gonna move on to the Halloween kit. And I saw how, as I knock everything over, I saw how cute this was. And I was just like, I need this. And she had actually come out with this a little bit earlier, but I wanted to wait. I wanted to wait until I knew like the fall kit was out and a couple other things were out and make it really worth my while. So double toil and trouble. And then we've got the potions box, or potions vials here. I like the jack-o'-lantern. Like, I think that is a really awesome jack-o'-lantern. It's spooky. It's very spooky. I don't typically do like a holiday spread, like in the sense of like that screams that holiday. But I'm excited to this year. I mean, with the way 2020's gone, I'm celebrating everything in my planner. Everything. The candy corns. And again, she's put these full boxes as the background of her colorful boxes. So awesome. I can't wait to use this one. And I may use it. Like, I feel like these guys, I really have to wait till the last week of October. Like, I really have to wait. But I feel like some of these guys can kind of start infiltrating their way in. Infiltration. Oh, I forgot about the spider webs. Look, I keep going back and forth. Shiny objects. So some spider web deco, some candy corn deco. So cute. And again, the checklist, the full boxes that are checklist or the weekly date covers, and then the bullet points. And again, more deco over here. Eye of Newt, Witch Potion, and Dragon's Breath. I like it. It's super cool. As a Harry Potter fan, and my favorite character is Professor Snape, I approve. Totally approve. I'm sorry, stickers make me happy. Just, they do. Weekend, we got another spider web. Halloween, spooky. Trick or treat, ghouls just want to have fun. I like that one. And our functional script stickers. Very cool, very cool. And then I saw her jewel tone kit. Oh, it says it right there. That one says it. Did the other one say it and I miss it? No. Okay, I'm not crazy. We're all good. So this is the jewel tone kit, and I saw it and I loved the colors, and I felt like it really worked with both what colors are in my catch-all and my teacher planner, for those of you who have seen those. So I was just like, oh, this is going to be a perfect one because I can use it in so many different areas. So here are your decorative full boxes. I really like this sticker. I don't know why, but it calls me. And again, your colorful boxes using those same backgrounds and those same colors. your check boxes or your checklists, your check boxes that are full boxes, your full boxes for Monday through Sunday. I like how she changed it to white on this one. I really like that. And same with these guys. And then your bullet points, be a voice, not an echo. I've been debating what my word of the year is going to be for 21. And I know most people are probably going like, dude, let's just get past what we're in. But I have two in mind, and one of them is voice. That's actually been kind of my word of the year for teaching. I just haven't made my little word of the year page for my planner yet, but maybe I should. Maybe I should use this guy for that. So many quotes. Okay. Weekend. I love that. Look how pretty that is. I'll face it this way. Let your heart be your guide. Deep breath. Yes, please. Adventures fill your soul. Be productive. Your gem. You don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Like, I need that all the time. Just need those words all the time. So there's that. And then important dinners, all of our scripts. I got confused for a moment. I was like, why do I have one more page? I did order something else. I can't even remember what I ordered. I did get habit trackers. I thought I didn't. I did. I like these. And the reason why I like these is because there's nothing written on them. I don't mind using, you guys have seen me use the ones that have writing on them before, but what I like about these is that, you know, there are some things like my workouts that right now are not an everyday occurrence. I do it like 2 days in a row, day off, 2 days in a row, day off. So like this could be 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. Like, did I get, you know, the days I needed to get? And I can mark off which days I wrote in, or I worked out on. So that's why I like that nothing is written on them. Hey, Bugaboo. Sharpie's not sure if he wants to be a part of filming today, but it happens, you know. So that is all of the things. Let's do a little fan out here. So you got the habit trackers, you got the jewel tone kit, you've got the Halloween kit. I went a little crazy, but again, life is a little stressful right now. Everything is awesome. And if retail therapy through stickers helps, there are a lot worse things out there, right? So, autumn is calling, and I did find all of the titles of these, so we're good. The freebies. So that is gonna do it for this haul. Oh, and my dots. Ta-da! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to be more consistent with filming, but sometimes technology gets in the way, and that's just kind of life right now. But I do enjoy doing these things. Leave a comment below if there was something here that you liked. Let me know, or if you're like, oh, you know, I got this from Coffee Planner Mom, or I got this from the sale. Like, if you ordered from a different shop, let me know, because I'd love to check them out. You all have a great day.